Looking at the manner in which the most important and sensitive works like flower decoration, stage decoration, special decoration for the photos of Sri Bhognath Siddhar and Sri Mahavatar Babaji, Mataji's seating arrangements, lighting, etc. are executed to such perfection, one cannot help but wonder whether any special training has been given to all these volunteers. These doubts arise in the minds of all those who are attending the Guru Purnima for the first time. The reason being, there are such divine vibrations in the atmosphere, everything flows smoothly, harmony prevails, the color combinations are pleasant, everyone is with so much devotion, dedication, and faith. One can easily see and experience a mesmerizing perfection in all these. But after hearing that there were no such special training for the volunteers, we were all amazed to understand that it was only due to Mataji's sankalpa or will, determination, the blessings of Paramagurus, and the meditative powers that the volunteers accumulate over the years combined to take these volunteers to that high level of performance. Mataji's words, Yoga Karmashu Kaushalyam, which means yoga is excellence at work, which is clearly reflected in their execution. Mataji says that whatever be the difficulty in the work assigned to a Sushumna Kriya Yogi, one should do it perfectly with utmost commitment and dedication. Mataji expects that a Sushumna Kriya Yogi should always be detached from ego, and when you witness all the Guru Purnimas held so far, one realizes that the volunteers have lived up to that expectations. Mataji, as always, gives energy to each one of them with love and affection. As one volunteer humbly puts it, if the subtle ego that I am the doer does not blind us, we can realize the fact that what we do is far less, and what Mataji enables us to do is actually more. And we always remain with that awareness. Another unique feature of the Sushumna Kriya Yogi's Guru Purnima is the Sri Chakra that is prepared here for the Guru Puja and Yagna.